like, take them across sideways. Kind of closer to me, though, so we can see who's who. That's green.
Orange.
Alright, walk up and see if she'll follow you. Come here, green girl. What are you doing, little yellow girl?
I'm gonna leave.
Oh, thank you. Here.
Alright, Allie, walk a little bit, see if all three of them will go with you. Wait, see if you can get the green one's attention, because she's way over there.
The yellow one's there.
Allie, squat. There she goes. She's scared of something. I don't know what. Allie's big old boots. She got to go potty. Is that what it is?
You need to bring her over here with the others.
So I need to bring the others over here.
Alright, ladies.
You all too, honey.
I'm trying to see what to see.
Hey, baby.
Somebody's playing in the back.
Hi, baby girl. Come here. Come here.
Hey, baby. Hey, green girl. This is green. Oops. Hey, green girl. Whoops. Green girl got the camera. There's orange girl. Hey, baby. The other girl. The other girl's a little chubbier. Hey, what are you talking about? What is it? Hey, everybody get some good stuff to eat? 21, see if you can call them over there a little bit. This is green and orange. Come here, baby. Here's yellow. I want to get in my lap. Come here, let's walk around a little bit. Come on. Come on. Green.